did for us. We have to enjoy. This is what God did for us. I need to enjoy. Blessing, 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 blessing the Lord. This is what God did for us. We need to enjoy. This is what God did for us. Papa David, you talk in the video now. Come, we have to enjoy. This is the blessing that the Lord gives to us. You know, sometimes people are so stressful, but God gives us all of these blessings. Just come and enjoy with me. And the church, right now is Maryland. Revelation Church came to the park to fish, and all of this is to praise the name of the Lord. You understand? We are blessed and we are blessed, and also be blessed with us. Bye.